Okay, this is a 2018 Ford Shelby truck. Okay, what the nicest thing is. Okay, what we did is we added a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. And the way it works is if somebody tries to break the window, it will fire off the factory alarm system. So basically, he already has an alarm from factory. We didn't want to install another alarm on top of another alarm. So we end up incorporating the shock sensor to the factory alarm. If anybody walks up and they try to break the window, it will fire off the alarm. This shock sensor add-on in this 2018 Shelby F150 truck was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. Because what happens is these trucks do come with a factory alarm system, but you can basically destroy the whole truck from bumper to bumper with a baseball bat, and as long as you don't open any of the doors, nothing's going to happen. So this is an add-on, so it's like installing an aftermarket alarm without having to install an aftermarket alarm, and you don't have to carry an extra remote control around. Thank you for watching this video.